Solo rank game nga pala tayo dito, tapos ito nga yung mga nangyari. Dito nga guys pa emoji pa yung Esmeralda dito, bibigyan natin to mamaya, haha. Nagmalalim na nga dito yung Esmeralda, akala niya siguro makunat na siya, nabigyan tuloy siya tapos tipihan natin, haha. Eto nga guys, round 2 bigyan ulit natin sila, haha.
March on! Sound the horn of victory!
Mali nga ako sa part na to, nag-ulti agad ako, nabigyan tuloy kami. Buti nga umabot tayo dito, nabigyan natin tong mga unggoy na to.
Illuminates every darkness.
Launch attack! Our turret has been destroyed.
A real man never hides in the bush.
Dito nga guys, di tayo papayag na mabasag yung tower natin, buti na lang dumating yung fort, nakapitas patuloy tayo.
Vanish the darkness!
You have slain an enemy!
Lining of glory. Blood stains.
An ally has slain the turret!
Hero has come to help.
An enemy has been slain! Double kill! Shut down! Killing spree!
We are the shield of the people.
Mega kill! Request backup! Our turret is under attack!
Together we are the Light Order.
You
We
destroyed
fight
a
to the
turret.
end.
Launch attack! Our turret has been destroyed. Launch attack!
Sayang nga dito di nasama yung sa set natin, pero mabibigyan din naman siya, haha.
Ally has been double kill! Ally has been triple kill!
I do not back down.
Mega kill!
As I am the
Launch
vanguard of the
attack!
Light Order. Although I'm walking in the frost, the warmth of my heart will not dissipate.
Your team destroyed a turret! Gather up the Lord! Ult is not ready.
We are the shield of the
An enemy has been slain. Ally has been slain. Initiate the horde.
Akala ko nga mauubos kami dito, tapos ito nga yung nangyari.
beneath the lighting of
Request
glory.
initiate retreat.
Vanish the darkness!
Slain the Lord. Okay. Enemy has slain Lord. Initiate retreat. Launch attack.
All glories to the Empire!
An enemy has been slain. Not ready for team fight. An enemy has been slain.
A true knight never
Mali nga yung
says
tulak ko
die.
dito, di ko pa nasama yung Moscow, pero pwede na yan, bigyan na natin tong Odette, hahaha.
Your team destroyed the turret. Monster kill.
And weak.
Ang lalim nga ng mga kalaban natin dito, ibigay na nga natin yung hinahanap nila, hahaha.
Double kill. Triple kill. Maniac.
John, sound the horn.
Dito nga nahirapan ako mag-set ang balak ko kasi yung setan ko is yung Moskov or yung core nilang Kari, kaso play safe sila dito.
Down. Double kill. Triple kill. Lord.
I stand for the Empire.
Ally has slain Lord. Slain.
Dito nga guys di ko in-expect na double kill pa tayo ha.